Hey there guys and gals, it's me nirex and welcome back to NSL Project creation video. So I decided that this could be put into some good use. We need to make everything a bit better. So I'm just gonna put the public guy down here and actually make it private. Well, what the hell? Just do these private. These are private. We can't really access these as we go because we don't. This is some bullshit. All right, we just need to do save all, load all, just like that. So we have another utility function, void save to file, and the only thing we have is a constant string name of the path. So it's an int string path. That's it. And then we have a load from file. Load from file. So that's it with these guys. All we do here is just save and load whatever we have from and to these strings and classes right there. So quite easy, quite simple, quite peasy. Alright, that's all good and dandy. Now let's go back to this table container.c++ and delete these guys because we don't really need them utility bullshits. So you guys are gone. Good, bad, dandy. We need to fix this guy right here. I really hate it when this happens. Alright, and then we put this guy right there. If we don't need all that accessibility, we just do something like that. Alright, and then we give it a path right here. So, quite easy, quite simple. We also take this guy, put it right here, and take the path, put it right here. And then we load everything from the map. Quite easy and simple. Okay, and that's basically it for the optimization of this part, just for now. Now let's actually be a bit more conservative about our iStorable. I need to still work on this a little bit. So we have the store and we have the retrieve. Alright, but they don't really need to be public. They need to be protected. What the hell am I doing? Protected. This was a bad design, dude. From the very beginning, I know you probably just, yeah, this was a goddamn bad design. Well, point is, storable container need to be friend of that. So friend is iStorable. iStorable is friend. All right. What the hell? What's your issue, brother? iStorable is a friend of this guy, so yeah, iStorable is a friend. What the hell? Why is it not allowing me to do what I want to do? Friend iStorable. Wait, do I need to befriend that guy to this guy? Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Wait a minute. Yeah, no, I don't think so. Oh, let's mess this up. We don't need to do that. So all right, let's do it like this. So we have an iStorable class, so let's go ahead and make that class iStorable, and then we're going to befriend that guy to this guy. So we have that, and in here we have include storable container, and then we do friend storable container. Should be good. Protected storable container. All right, I don't get it. All right, I just don't goddamn get it. Oh wait. I messed up already. So include iStorable. And there we go. Alright, so I wanted this to be protected so that the only classes that have access to these guys are those dudes over there. So if and only if you inherit from iStorable can you have access to store, retrieve, and unique ID. Other than that, no, not at all. Not gonna happen, brother. So this is gonna be private, and private's, just based on what I do all the goddamn time, is gonna be under protected section. So first off gonna be public section, then the protected, and then private. Okay, so private section is gonna be the friend of that guy, and then so that guy can have access to protected members of these dudes, and then store, retrieve, and unique ID are gonna happen. Now here's the thing. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna store, we're gonna retrieve, we're gonna do some unique ID BS. But this guy can't really have any members, so unique ID needs to be some sort of a special thing. Alright, we're just gonna hold it in a string, but every guy has to have a unique ID. So we're creating a test. It's bad design to have it like this. Super bad design. We need to have unique ID actually needs what it needs to do, you know, in the main principle of this project. It needs to be like this. So we always need to have something like this. So string. Also, guy, please come in to protect it. Thank you. So it's just string unique ID. It should be like that, and then this guy returns the unique ID. So then I can put that unique ID dude right here. So const set string UID. All right, and we come down here. That was a test, so I don't need to put that in there. So we come down here and we do unique ID, put UID in it. Okay, and so that's the way unique ID works. Now if I come to entry, when I create that, I need to put like 10 or 1. And hidden data is like that. Also this guy needs to be private. And then we're gonna have getters and setters for this guy. So void set hidden data, void const. Oh, what the hell am I doing, brother? So we're gonna do something like this. Val. You know, why not? Why the hell not? So we're gonna set it, and we're first off gonna get it. So getter always comes before setter is my motto. I don't know why, I just like it that way. So we're going to send out a string, not a string ref, just a string, and we're going to have to be void and const. And that's the way we go. So hidden data is equal to val, quite easy and simple, and then we just return hidden data on the top. So just take that, bring it here, return hidden data. Let me just double check to see if, yeah, all good. So we just return hidden data, that way we just set hidden data, all good, all dandy, and all pretty goddamn good. So set hidden data, we put it to like 10, and then we create 10 more of these, or like 5 more of these. So this is gonna be x0, x0, x1, x1, x2, x2, x3, and x3. So this is gonna be 1, it's gonna be 2, it's gonna be 3, it's gonna be 4. 10, 15, 20, 25. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to save all NSL, storable container. What I need to do is a bit different. Alright, so first off we need to do what we do here. So we need to open this guy, go back here, go to debug. Where was this guy? Take the lib, obviously, and this guy, both of them, bring them back to NSL tests and put them both here. All good. Now what we need to do is go to include, go to NSL, do start.h, take them all out, bring them back here, put them into include NSL, and there we go. Alright. So now if I do something like this, up to date, all good. Now let's do some good stuff like this. So we're going to take that guy. No, dude. No doubt. And we're going to do... Why can't I access everything? I shouldn't be able to. So let's go to storable container, see how it is. Public, private, private. Dude, I shouldn't be able to access. I should just be able to access this guy. Alright. So we have register, unregister, from file, loyal, save. That's bad. It's pretty goddamn bad. We're going to just go ahead and rebuild the entire solution. Alright. Alright, I still don't have any idea why this is happening. It shouldn't, but it still is. So we're gonna just redo all that. Quite weird. See, these are the only thing that are there, so... Alright, let's save the file then, just without the compiler, without anybody. So NSL iStorable, iStorable container, save the file. I would give it a path like 1.txt. Okay, so this way we're just saving it. We run it, all saved, we hit enter, all gone. Now what we want to do is, we don't want any of this. Alright, we just want these guys. So let me actually create two functions right here, so just to make things more simple. So we have void save and void load. Alright, so save does something like this. And load, just for testing purposes. I'm not going to really try anything. Like, this is bad design, but just for testing purposes, I'm just going to do that. So load from file. So once we save, then we load, you know, easy peasy, quite squeezy like that. And these guys are going to be void. This guy is going to be void. And then what we do is we do std_cout x0 x0.hidden data, get hidden data. And so what we do is we get the hidden data of each of these guys, x0, x1, 2, 3, and then we easily add a std_l at the end. And for each of these guys, we need to put a get char here because I still need my. Come on, dude. There we go. There we go. What the hell is your issue? Thank you. Thank you. And thank you very much. So this is the basic thing that we do. So we have already saved it. Now all we need to do is first off forward declare them because it needs to be there. Second off, let's fix that garbage right here. So we're going to do auto get pointer, or sorry, int arg count get pointer our value will give us an int, and we return false. We get a character down there. So we've already saved it. Now let's go ahead and load it. Should be quite simple. Let's see, and it should give us 10, 15, 20, and 20. Okay, 10. Oh yeah, 15, 20, 25. All right. So we can easily see that it saves and it also loads. Now if I was to take a look at this guy right here let's just delete this last guy, 1.txt, 425, 20, 15, and 10. And you can go as complex as you want with these guys. As complex as you want. You could store anything in there if you want. And the only limit that it has, that it shouldn't contain this guy right here. Alright, it should never contain any of these guys. So that's the only limit that we have. I might try to fix it later on, but yeah, just know that that's our limit just for now. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed. We improved it a little bit. We made it all better. The structure is now a little bit better. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do write them in the comments. If you like this video, do leave a like and maybe even subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.